Figure this out. What's up, everybody? We're doing 3 jumbo leaf metal spots. Good luck. First up, Trey Palmer, 5 of 7. Nick. Yep, Nick. Wrong Nick. Hunter Lepke, 5 of 6. Jonathan Mingo, 1 of 1. There's the first 1 of 1. Eric Gray, 2 of 3. Justin. John Mechie from the good old Houston Texans, 2 of 4. Darnell Washington goes to the Steelers, 4 of 5. Brian Bressie from the Saints, his number.
Whatever's easier. If you want to wait until I do the truck, too, you can. That's pretty good for it. I guess.
Number is it one? What number is he?
The hours and stuff you could add it to that. That's easy. Yeah.
The hell number is he?
I like that mower. That lasted longer than I thought it would.
If you don't use the self-propel too much, it'll last a whole damn time.
Really?
So I made Jace cut it. He self-propel the whole damn thing. And it dials out. Yeah, don't cut it good, then you go fast.
Yeah.
Try to cut red.
I think that's kind of what I did whenever I did the front yard. I didn't
Saints.
do the front and back on the same day. I did
0.
The day y'all came back.
0.
Front yard.
The 0 spots.
Maybe a day or two before that. But it had rained. Is that from vacation?
Bought it before we left for her, but she
And we have Tyree Wilson, 1 of 1. 1 of 1. Zay Flowers, 4 of 4. Austin. And then Jalen Carter, 1 of 1, pre-production proof, Kaleidoscope black and yellow.
Crackers, put peanut butter between them, and dip them in chocolate. That's good. A little bit of sea salt.
Like Nutella?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Miles Murphy, 3 of 7.
My kids each have their own jar.
Dalton Kincaid,
My kids
Buffalo,
have their own jar at home.
1 of 4.
We need to.
Ty Simpson,
I think
what up, Schwartzy? 3 of 4. How about a Lawrence Taylor? Here comes the boom. 1 of 1 LT. That's pretty sick right there. And a not pre-production, but a printing plate. 1 of 1. Who is that? Parker Washington, which I believe is Jaguars. What's up?
Like it's like maybe I can do this. It's like 2 things that I have to go to. You know.
We normally have 2 lights in our work.
I was gonna get the tortilla, I think.
We got Dante Demus Jr.
I think the tortilla. I didn't throw them away, but I think the tortilla.
2 of 4.
So those, they last like,
Another John Mechie.
Oh, really?
1 of 1 signed proof. We got Will Anderson Jr. 7 of 7. David.
It wasn't too bad.
We have Bryce Young. Number 9. I know that number. Lands. Number 9. Where does I know that? Because he has the same number as Drew Brees. Number 9. And Rashee Rice. That's Kansas City. 1 of 1. Kaleidoscope Pigskin. Oh, that's an odd name for a card. Kaleidoscope Pigskin. You ain't, huh? We have Max Duggan. 4 of 4. Devin Achane. 8 of 8. We have Trenton Simpson. Here comes the boom. 3 of 6. Clayton Tune, armed and dangerous. 4 of 4. Cedric Tillman. 4 of 5. Tell you that 4 spot is. We got Deuce Vaughn for the Cowboys. 4 of 5. Joey Porter Jr. for the Steelers, but what number is he? Steelers.
It was nice. Very
No
nice.
surprise.
Oh yeah.
Hey, also, the whole reason I got my other job at Mercury is to have a social aspect. I have that at school, and it's really just kind of it's actually just annoying whenever I have a shift over there. It's like, because I don't make much, and I end up spending what I make on the food. So, you said you had mentioned
Joey Porter Jr. number 4.
Saturdays maybe. So, I was just going to quit one of these.
Number 4.
It makes too much sense to do that.
You'll get social with
Let's see. Somebody's asking a question about the break. Somebody's asking a question.
Still do back and forth if y'all need that too.
Yeah, we will probably have a little bit back and forth. For sure for Gavin in the mornings. So we'll be getting a sign-in sheet. Nothing personal for anybody. Just maybe for one person. But it'd be easier for me to have everything on one sheet. We'll make sure Miss John really stays here, what she says she stays here.
Oh please.
How long are you thinking for those floors?
Travion Henderson. 4
One yesterday. Like,
of 10.
one with
Austin?
the case. You might have wrapped it up.
Probably so.
But he said maybe like that, and maybe like an inch higher so that you can see the name, and then maybe room for the eBay name.
Yeah, that's the biggest key is as long as we can see the eBay name and the name. That'd be great. And we could just have like one box that we use only for credit cards.
You have a spot.
It's a little warped away.
12 and 8 are gone.
Did you said you found something that's kind of like the harder stock, like the more permanent stock type?
They have card stock is harder than
Core stock,
the,
yeah, that's right. That's perfect.
It's harder than that.
We're supposed
We should have done a deal.
They're flimsy.
It's so damn short. Yeah. So you think core stock is better than that?
We have Joe Montana.
Card stock, I'm sorry.
No, so this is
3 of 4.
can't find any long ones.
Mike.
I mean,
These are supposed to be the small ones.
And then Kenny McIntosh. 1 of a million running backs for Seattle. 101. Prismatic Silver.
What number was Joey Porter?
What, 4?
4.
Is number 4 for him.
Somewhere, they gotta be somewhere taller.
So it looks like almost everybody got something in this break. Everybody did get something in the break. Even the 9 and the 0 got some fantastic cards. You got a Bryce Young up in here.
He did a good job with it.
So let's do the line up.
Someone in your neighborhood has a really nice green TRD Tundra.
That would
1,
be
2,
going
3,
past my house down.
4,
Yeah.
5.
Y'all can see his.
Justin and David.
He has an original Bronco.
Oh, really?
He just had to restore and everything.
There's also a, was it an SS? Chevelle?
Yeah, the only
There we
one.
go. All right, so congratulations, everybody. Appreciate it. Thank y'all for joining in this 3 box. I appreciate it.